In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Facebook ads post ID in just about 5 minutes. This seemingly small piece of information is incredibly valuable for a myriad of reasons, including tracking your ads performance, making modifications, or addressing any issues that might arise. So let's dive right into the process. First and foremost, you need to navigate to the Facebook Business Manager. This platform is your control room for all Facebook marketing and advertising activities. If you've not yet set up your Business Manager, I highly suggest doing so, as it centralizes all your Facebook business related activities, making them easier to manage. Once you're on the Facebook Business Manager page, the next step is to log in. Click on the Login with Facebook button. This step is fairly straightforward, but it's important to ensure you're logging in with the account that has access to the ads you wish to manage. This might seem like a basic step, but it's crucial for ensuring you have the correct permissions to proceed. After successfully logging in, proceed by selecting the appropriate account. It's possible you might have access to multiple accounts if you manage ads for numerous businesses or clients. Ensure you choose the one which contains the ad whose ID you're trying to retrieve. Following the selection of your account, you'll need to focus your attention on the lower left panel and click on Ads. This move takes you one step closer to finding that elusive post ID. Now here's where we dive into the nitty-gritty details. Click on Ads Manager. This is essentially the dashboard where all your advertising magic happens. Account overview, performance metrics, ad management, you name it, Ads Manager has it. With the Ads Manager window open, look for and proceed to the campaigns. If you're new to Facebook advertising, campaigns are essentially the overarching containers for your ad sets and ads. They're the first level of organization in your ad structure. Following the campaign selection, the next move is to navigate to Ads. Remember, campaigns house ad sets and ad sets, in turn house your ads. We're moving deeper into the structure to locate your specific ad post. Upon finding the ad you're interested in, click on Edit. This action opens up the ad for modification and review, but what we're really here for is the ad's ID. Editing allows you to access detailed settings and configurations for your ad, including the all-important ID. After clicking on Edit, look for the Review button and click on it. At this stage, you're almost there. Reviewing your ad is a good practice in general, ensuring everything is set up as intended before finalizing any changes. But our focal point is the next step. Finally, find and click on Ad ID. And there you have it, the unique identifier for your Facebook ad. This ID is crucial for tracking, modifying, or troubleshooting your ad. It's important to note this ID down, copy it into a secure place, or even directly use it if you're in the process of troubleshooting or tracking your ad's performance. To wrap up, understanding how to retrieve your Facebook ads post ID is invaluable for anyone involved in Facebook advertising. This process, while straightforward, is a fundamental aspect of ad management and optimization. Always ensure that you're working in the correct account and carefully follow each step to successfully obtain the ID you need. Remember, each ad has a unique ID, so if you're managing multiple ads, you'll need to repeat this process for each one you wish to track or modify. The beauty of digital marketing lies in its data-driven approach, and mastering these small tasks empowers you to make informed decisions and tweaks, pushing your campaigns towards greater success. And with that, you now know how to find your Facebook ads post ID efficiently. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, I hope this guide has illuminated the path towards managing your Facebook ads more effectively. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.